So, have you been wondering how to get more watch time on your channel? I have a feeling you have, because they changed the monetization rules and you have to have 4,000 hours of watch time now, and everybody's striving to get more and more watch time. And that's a good thing. The more watch time you get, the quicker your channel will grow and you'll get monetized quicker. So, if you've been wondering how to rack up more watch time, I want to teach you a fun trick today on how to use card strategy within your YouTube videos to increase your watch time. Welcome back to my channel. I am crazy freaking excited that you are here. Yes, I am. And if you are an entrepreneur who wants to know how to run a bigger, better, more profitable, more visible business, this is the place for you. So make sure you hit subscribe. I don't want you to miss anything else from me. And if you have a friend that fits in that category, go share it with them too, because they'd probably like me too. I mean, hopefully. I would hope. Anyway, today I want to teach you a card strategy. Now, this is a really fun one because this will increase watch time on your channel. And like I said a minute ago, watch time is one of the biggest metrics that YouTube uses to gauge the success of a channel. So if you are increasing your watch time on your channel, you are increasing the authority of your channel in the eyes of YouTube, and then therefore also getting found quicker in search, therefore also getting discovered more, all of those things. So watch time is a really good metric to want to increase. And a good strategy behind increasing that is using cards strategically in your videos. Now, if you don't know what a card is, I've done a video before on what a card is that should pop across this video on a card. It feels very meta. Somewhere on a card flying around up in here, there's going to be a link to a video I've done in the past on what cards are and how to use them. And essentially what it is, though, it's that thing that flies across the video while you're watching it that tells you to go watch something else or gives you a link to something or whatever. These cards can be placed anywhere within your video. They can be to someone else's videos. They can be to your videos. They can be to your website once you have the monetization criteria is met, because that's when you're able to link off to another platform. But they can be to videos. That is the most important thing, and that is key. They can also be to playlist as a whole, and you're going to be good once you implement this strategy. So what I want you to do is I want you to go into your analytics and look at the overall analytics of your channel and see what your average watch time is. So if you're looking at all your videos over the last 28 days, what is the average watch time? Now, the average watch time is going to be probably a lower number. For me, I produce really short videos, so mine is always going to be on that lower end. If you produce a lot of like long-tailed or longer videos, yours might be a little higher than mine. That's totally fine. Doesn't matter. We just need to know that number. Now, that number is the number where most people are dropping off of most of your videos. That's an average, just like anything else in life. And that is where most people are kind of dropping off and doing something else. So we want to catch them with a card before they drop off. Okay, so what you're going to do is every single time you publish a new video, you are going to place a card right before that drop-off point. So say your drop-off point is 3 minutes and 22 seconds. I want you to place a card at the 3-minute mark so that if somebody is getting ready to leave, they're bored, you've annoyed them, like whatever that process is, then maybe they'll see something else popping across that card or popping across that video that they want to watch. Now, remember, YouTube actually rewards you for keeping people on the platform. So even if that card is to someone else's video, it will help your channel. So let's say you're a very new YouTuber and you did a tutorial on iMovie and they got, into the drop-off point to it, and you inserted a card to my tutorial on iMovie, and they come over and watch mine, and then somehow in mine they watch another one of my videos, and then maybe from one of my videos they watch one of Tim Schmoyer's videos, and the circle goes round and round. But because you were the one that brought them onto YouTube and you were the one that passed the baton in the beginning, you actually get a lot of good YouTube juju from that. So don't discount linking to other people's videos either. Now, again, this is just kind of the standard. See what your average drop-off point is. Place a card there on new videos. The other place I want you to place a card is not far before the end of the video, maybe like a minute or two before the end of the video, and or if you see any other drop-off points in your chart. So if you're seeing that there's a drop-off point at 3 minutes and at 7 minutes, if a video is longer than 7 minutes, then you can place cards at each of those points on new videos. Now, here's the magic as well. So after a video is not new anymore, after it's been out for about 72 hours, you start getting analytics for that video. So about a week, about 2 weeks maybe, after you've released a video, you can go back in and look at the analytics specific to that video. And you can say, okay, when are people on average dropping off on this video? Not on my channel as a whole, but on this specific video. Maybe your channel as a whole, they were dropping off around the 3 minute and 22 second mark, but on this specific video, they're dropping off around the 4 minute mark. You want to move your card over to where that drop-off point for this specific video is and catch those people right before they drop off. See, the strategy here is that they're starting to get bored, or they're starting to stray, or they're starting to, veer over here somewhere. So we want to catch them before they do that. So if you are, putting it at 3 minutes and 22 seconds and it's taking them 30 more seconds to realize that they don't want to be on this video anymore, you've lost the opportunity to get them to click off to another video. So by moving that card, you're regaining that opportunity. So I hope that makes sense. Cards are a really awesome strategy that anybody can implement in their channel, and it is a really great way to increase your watch time and also increase the session time on YouTube, which will help your channel. So go implement cards. If you're not using them at all, really go do it. And if you've been using them kind of haphazardly without a strategy, go implement this. And until next time, hit subscribe. Don't miss anything else from me, okay? Okay, bye y'all.